Hello, my name is Rahul. Today I am going to show you how to create a circular progress bar using Objective-C and Cocoa framework like this. I am going to use Xcode 7.1.1 and macOS X 10.10.5. Now open Xcode. Okay. Create a new Xcode project, name it Progressbar demo. Okay, next, create. Okay, now go to storyboard. Okay, NS view, search for NS view, custom view, drag over here, make it
enlarge it. Okay,
now add a push button. Okay, drag over here. Now create two Cocoa class, add file over here. Next, name it GUI handler. Okay, make it NS object. Next, create. Okay, now create another class. Next, name it Progressbar view. Okay, it is of subclass NS view. Okay, next, create. Okay, now go to main storyboard, NS object. Okay, drag it over here. Now map it to the GUI handler class, Cocoa class. Okay, over here it is identity inspector. Okay, now add GUI handler. Now it is mapped to GUI, and select this and map it to Progressbar view. Okay, now select this editor, bottom view. Okay, now go to here. Okay, now select this. Now you have access to GUI handler header. Now give it a bracket. Okay, drag the NS view as output. Okay, pb underscore progress view. Okay, connect. Now drag it here, make it action button, handle progress. Okay, connect it. Okay, we have the method over here. Okay, save it. Also this file save. Okay, we need to import the Progressbar view header. Now save it. Okay, now go to Progressbar view. Now we are going to update our view. Now we are going to define draw rectangle of Progressbar view. Okay, now over here define @public a variable to manage progress, that is int progress. Okay, now switch to this view. Okay, now we are going to define a arc using nsbezierpath. Okay, nsbezierpath. Okay, path is equal to nsbezierpath and the static Bezier path function. Okay, now path append arc with center. Okay, this one, enter this, ns make point, that is your center, 0 0, radius is 100 and the start angle is 0 and end angle is, take anything, give it any value, 100. Okay, that is 100. Okay, now to draw it properly we need to define complete path, that is path line width, set line width, line width, that is 2. Okay, width is 2, line width is 2. Now path move to point ns make point, that is 0 and 0. Okay, now path close. Okay, now we need to fill it, ns color, that is red color. Now set fill. Okay, now path fill. Okay, now run it. Okay, it's showing in bottom left. Okay, we need to make it move to the center, so we are going to use affinity transform. Okay, affin transform, that is like this, ns affin transform pointer trans is equal to NSAffineTransform. Okay, bracket NSAffineTransform, that is transform. Okay, now that is translate by x, that is dirty rectangle, this one. Okay, copy it over here, dot size dot width divide by 2. Okay, now same here, dirty dot size dot height divide by 2. Okay, now concave, that is this one. Okay, now run it, stop it. Okay, it moved in the center. Now close it. Now we need to rotate it. Okay, branch, rotate by degree, that is 270. Okay, we need to override is flipped. Okay, bool is flipped. Okay, return true. Okay, now run it, stop it. Okay, now it is correctly moved. Now close it. Now make it 330. Okay, run it, stop it. Now see. Okay, now stop it. Now we need to copy entire this. Okay, paste over here, make the radius 90. Okay, and fill color is white. Remove this, run it. Okay, run it. Okay, now make this complete 360. Now run it. Okay, now close it, stop it. Now we need to render text. Okay, to render text we need to first override view did move to window. How? Over here void, over here view did move to window. Okay, now we set self dash this progress is equal to 0, default value is 0. Okay, now the spelling. Okay, now the self will be passed to, self is going to be passed over here, self progress multiply by 3.6. Okay, the math is like this, we need to do this. 360 divide into 100 equal parts is equal to 3.6. Okay, 3.6. Okay, so we are going to give it a number from 1 to 100. Okay, 1% to 100%. So we divide it 360 into 100. Now we need to draw text in center of the progress bar. To do that we need a dictionary, NS dictionary, to configure the string drawing over here, make it private. Okay, NS dictionary attributes. Okay, now go to progress bar implementation. In view did move, attribute is equal to NS dictionary. Okay, dictionary with object and keys, this one. Okay, first NS font with with name and the size name is @Helvetica. Okay, the size is 26. Okay, now ns font attribute name. Okay, now another ns color, that is red color is red color. Okay, comma ns foreground color attribution name. Okay, then it is nil and we close it. Okay, save it. Okay, we have an error over here, file save. Okay, now we are going to use this attribute in drawing the text. Okay, over here ns attribute string. Okay, current text underscore text is equal to ns attribute string allocation. Now initialize with the attributed string, initialize with string. Okay, now ns string. Okay, string with format. Okay, @ now %d double percentage, as we have to show percentage comma progress. Okay, and the attributes is our attributes. Okay, now over here we need the size to make it center. ns size. Okay, text size is equal to current text, that is the size. Okay, now create a rectangle nsrect. Okay, r is equal to ns is equal to ns make rectangle. Okay, that is your origin, that is 0 plus bracket 0 minus text size dot width. Okay, entire divide by 2. Okay, now same here, 0 plus copy this, complete copy over here, paste, that is height. Now the width is text size dot width, text size dot height. Okay, now close it. Okay, now current text draw in rectangle, that is R. Okay, now run it. Okay, we need to flip it. Close this. Now to flip this, use this, copy over here, paste here. Okay, now we need to rotate. How? Branch concave. Before that, rotate by degree, that is 90. Okay, save it, run it, stop it, run it. Okay, now we need to pass the progress bar increment. Okay, we need to increment the progress. Close it. That can be done from GUI handle class over here. Okay, now we need to define a thread. If we do it in GUI, it will hang, so we are going to define a thread, ns thread. Okay, detach thread selector @ selector, that is define a function dash void progress increment, make it a function, copy this, paste over here, target is self. Okay, and with object null. Okay, now we have the progress bar handle over here. Okay, in GUI handler class. Okay, now go over here, define a for loop, for statement int counter is less than equal to 100, counter plus plus, we initialize counter with 0. Okay, now we have our variable over here, pb progress bar, copy it here, paste here, that is the progress is equal to counter. Okay, now we need to set a delay so we can see the animation. ns thread sleep for time interval. Okay, this one we need to pass milliseconds 0.05. Okay, now we need to handle the display, pb progress view, to handle the display, set needs display true. Okay, now we have the error, double L instead of this, save it, stop it, run it. Okay, now run it. Okay, again run it, many threads are running. Okay, 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 that way you can code your circular progress bar using Objective-C and Cocoa framework. If you like this video, please subscribe. If you like, then hit the like button. Thank you.